In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add DNS records in Cloudflare. Whether you're managing your own website or helping someone else, understanding how to configure DNS records is essential in ensuring that internet users can access your site without any issues. Let's get started. First, you'll need to log into your Cloudflare account and navigate to the account homepage. Once there, looking through your dashboard, you will see a section labeled Domains. Click on this to bring up a list of the domains that are integrated with your Cloudflare account. Now locate and select the domain you want to update. In our case, we'll be working with demo account 00github.io, just as an example. After selecting your domain, you will land on a dashboard specifically for that domain. From here, you need to navigate to the DNS section. The DNS panel is where you configure all DNS settings related to the selected domain. You'll usually find this option alongside other menu options like Dashboard and Analytics. Now that we're in the DNS Management section, it's time to focus on adding a DNS record. To begin, find and click on the Add Record button. Here, select the type of DNS record you wish to create. There are various types such as name and MX records, each serving different purposes. For today's guide, we're focusing on adding an A record. This is primarily used to map a domain to an IPv4 address, making it one of the most commonly used DNS records. An important part of setting up an A record is filling in the details, including the name or subdomain field. Here is where you specify which part of your domain the record pertains to. It might be www, a specific subdomain, or you could use the @ symbol if you're referring to the root domain. Remember, each part you fill in helps specify how traffic gets routed to your site's servers. Next, input the IPv4 address of your server. This is crucial because it determines where users are directed when they attempt to access your domain. Therefore, ensure that the address is accurate to prevent any site access issues. Lastly, once you've filled in the necessary details for your A record, it's time to click Save. This final action will add your DNS record to Cloudflare, and you should now see it appear in your DNS records list. And there you have it. You successfully added a DNS record to your Cloudflare account. Be sure to double check your entries for accuracy, as errors could lead to connectivity issues. Thank you for joining us today, and we hope this guide helps make your DNS management journey a little easier.